Damaged car? Don't let it sit there losing value every single day. Turn it into cash right now. We specialize in buying damaged cars, and we mean all types of damage. Collision damage? We'll buy it. Hail damage? Absolutely. Fire damage? Yes. Flood damage? We want it. Frame damage? Bring it on. Listen, insurance companies might have totaled your car, but that doesn't mean it's worthless. Damaged cars still have tremendous value in parts and materials, and we pay top dollar for that value. Here's how fast this works. Tell us about your damaged car, year, make, model, and what's wrong with it. Get your cash offer instantly, no obligation. Accept the offer, and we schedule free towing at a time that works for you. We show up, load your damaged car, hand you payment, and you're done. No negotiating, no surprises, no fees. Just fast, fair cash for your damaged vehicle. Maybe you've been dragging your feet because the car holds memories, or you think the process will be complicated. We get it. But that damaged car isn't getting better. It's just costing you money in registration, insurance, and space. Stop waiting. Thousands of people have already turned their damaged cars into instant cash with us. Get your free quote right now. Visit our website or call the number below. Cash for your damaged car today.